Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slimothy TV. In this video, I have a very special one for you guys. We're going to be taking a look at the Andar Aspen iPhone 15 Pro leather case. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, hold up, I already watched a review on your channel about the Andar Aspen for the iPhone 15 Pro. Why are you making it again? Well, if you recall in our other video, we reviewed this case right here. And if you looked closely, a lot of people noticed that there was no action button. Andar took that criticism very quickly and returned with an even better product. So they now have these cases with the action button as an actual button instead of this iPhone 14-esque, mute switch area. So that was one of my complaints on the first one, was just that, this felt a little weird because everything else is so premium, except it's got this hole here, and this should be a button for the iPhone 15 Pro. And they claim they have fixed it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this, check it out, and let's see if they have delivered on that promise. This turnaround time was insanely quick. They didn't even ask to send this out. They just sent it and said, hey, we've sent you the updated version, so here you go. So I really enjoy that about Andar. They got on the ball and they fixed this up quickly. They heard the people's criticisms and feedback and they fixed it. So hats off to them. I have to give them props for that. Here is the back of the box if you wanna read that. It's the same as the other one as before. And I did notice this one already had the seal cracked. I don't believe we did that. So maybe they checked it just to be sure that they sent the right one this time. Here is the little black piece of leather letting you know that this is the black color. And opening it up here, nothing else in this portion of the box. We can set that to the side. And here is the case. Obviously looking very similar to the other, except you can already maybe see that one has an action button. So let's go ahead, check it out right now. We're gonna pull it off of its little platter here. Nothing else in the box, so we can set that to the side. Here is the case. Let's take a look and make sure everything looks exactly the same. Yes, it does, except you can see right here, there is an action button. And of course, right away, I can already smell that fresh new leather smell, which is awesome. I love that. Every Andar product that we've opened has always had that smell. And if you know leather, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It is so refreshing. This is high quality leather from Andar. So enough about the case. Let's go ahead and grab the iPhone 15 Pro here and stick it in and see what it looks like when it is in use. So there we go. Button side first, everything looks good. And boom, look at that. If that doesn't shout premium, I don't know what does. Just like the other one, this one looks exactly the same. We've got a tiny bit of Andar branding right here on the side. It is, what is that, embossed? I don't know, it's like an imprint, like they stamped it in there. So yeah, almost gives a little bit of grip when you're holding it, but no one's gonna necessarily notice that. And looking at the front of it, this is what it would look like in your day-to-day life. That black does make it look like it has a bigger bezel, but that's just how any case is. So nothing on Andar's part there that has to be changed. This looks really good. Feels really good in the hand. It does not add much bulk at all. In fact, I would say this is one of the slimmer feeling leather cases on the market. Let's take a look at the ports on the bottom. They look perfect. On the side here, you can see that action button is now a button, but of course, let's test it out, make sure it works. Yes, of course it does. No issues there at all. And then on the back here, let's check the camera resivity. Looks perfect. So no issues with setting your phone down like this. And then the front resivity, let's take a look at that. You guys can see if you have a screen protector on there, there's gonna be no issues. I don't have one right now, but you can see there's plenty of resivity there as well. Now, one thing I do like about Andar is that this one has no branding on the back here. And I think it just looks so slick and clean. Of course, as you guys know, Apple stopped making their leather cases for whatever reason, and they replaced them with some fine woven cases, which have had horrible reviews so far. I don't think I've found a single person that likes them. So if you want leather, you've got to go with a third party. Now, Andar makes some of the best leather cases that we have reviewed on the channel. So if you are looking for a leather case, I highly recommend checking out Andar's first, just to see if they have what you're looking for. But this is gonna patina very well over time. And if you do get a black color like this, the scratches and stuff will not be as visible as other colors. So if you get brown, for example, it's going to patina differently over time. For example, this is one of Andar's wallets, and you can see that it's already patina just a little bit from very light use, and that is a hallmark of quality leather. If you go with a black color like we did here, you're not gonna see as much patina, and it's gonna keep that stealthed out black look for longer. Now, over time, yes, of course, it will change color and get some scratches and such, but that's part of what happens with leather, and that's why people like it so much. No two cases are gonna look the same over time, so having a leather case definitely gives you a unique looking iPhone. And there's just something premium about feeling a leather case in your hands that a typical plastic case just can't replicate. Let's do one more thing. Let's bring out the scale. And I am actually curious if the old case weighs more or less than this one. So my guess is gonna be exactly the same, but let's just see. So we're zeroed out. And this one, the old one is 35 grams and the new one is 35 grams. So they are exactly the same weight. The only difference is that this one has the action button as an actual button. My guess is that all of theirs going forward are going to have this. I'm not sure, but of course I'll have a link down below if you guys want to pick one up. I'm sure they'll let you know on the site. Now we do have to test Magsafe on this new one, so I'm going to set this older one off to the side here, as well as this scale. And I'm going to go ahead and put this back on the phone, just like so. And let's grab the Magsafe charger, stick it right on there, and of course it charges up, no problems. Let's test and see how strong Magsafe is this time around. This is very strong, no issues here at all. I'll give this one a 7.1 out of 10. Decently strong, no issues there. You can already see a little bit of patina right there from where the Magsafe is. So you will get that if you do use Magsafe chargers. You'll get a little ring eventually over time. Now, obviously it's not super visible, only in the right light. That goes for pretty much any leather iPhone case. So let me know your guys' thoughts on this case if you are going to pick one up for yourself. Again, we've reviewed quite a few leather cases on this channel, and Andar is one of the best that we have reviewed, so highly recommend them. Check them out, links to them down below. I believe I have a discount code down there. Check the pinned comment and the description and it'll let you know. That's all I got for this video, guys. If you liked it, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.